Hi students, today basic concepts in real numbers. Now second topic is basic concepts. If you know all these basic concepts, we can learn real numbers chapter. See, you have already learned about what are multiples. What is multiple? See 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and so on, all are multiples of 3. How will you get multiple? You see, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18 and so on like this. How will you get? See, 3 you take, it is multiplied by 1. How will you get 6? 3 twos are 6. How will you get 3 threes are 9? How will you get 12? 3 fours are, you will get 12. 15, how will you get? 3 fives you will get. 3 18, how will you get? 3 6. How you are getting multiples of 3? You are multiplying certain number. What is that certain number? That is 3 by an integer. You are multiplying 3 with an integer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. You see, the numbers we get when we multiply certain number by an integer. Let us suppose you take 4. Let us take 4. How you will get multiples? If you multiply certain number, means what is that certain number here? Certain number is 4. If you multiply it with an integer, you will multiply certain number. You take certain number means you take anything number by an integer. 4 threes, 4 fours. See, you will get multiples of 4. How will you get 4? 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, like this. 4, 8, 12, 16 and so on are the multiples of 4. If you take 18, 18 is the multiple of 1, 2, 3, not 4, 5, 6, 6s, 6, 7, no, 8, 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, no, 18. What is the multiple of 1? 18. What is the multiple of 2? 18. What is the multiple of 3? 18. What is the multiple of 6? 18. What is the multiple of 9? 18. What is the multiple of 18? 18. What are the multiples of 5? What are the multiples? We will write. You take table 5. Fifth table you take 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, like this. These are the multiples of 5. 19 is the multiple of 1. It is the multiple of 1 only, and it is the multiple of 19. 19 is the multiple of 1 and also 19 is the multiple of 19. Next we will go to factors. These are all factors of 18 factors. These are all multiples of 5. If you want to find multiples of 6, 6, 12, 18 and so on are the multiples of 6. What are the factors of 6? 1, 2, 3 and 6 are the factors of 6, because if you divide 6 with 1, you are getting 0 as the remainder. It will be completely divisible by 1. You take 2. 2 is the factor of 6. If you divide 6 with 2, you are getting remainder as 0. 6 is completely divisible by 2. 6 is completely divisible by 3. 6 is completely, you take. What are the factors of 6? Factors. I will write. I will ask a question. What are the factors of 6? What are the multiples of 6? Multiples I will write. What is the difference between multiple and factor? I will write the multiples of 6. What are the multiples of 6? 6, 12, 18, like this. What are the factors of 6? 6 should be completely divisible by a number. What are the numbers? 1, 2, 3, 6. 6 is completely divisible by 1. 6 is completely divisible by 2. 6 is completely divisible by 3. 6 is completely divisible by 6. These are the factors of 6. What are the multiples? You read the table, sixth table. Then you can understand the what is multiple. 6, 12, 18, like this. These are the multiples of 6. I think you have understood what is multiple and what is factor. Next, I will write the definition of factors. Factors. What is factor? The number that divides another number, leaving no remainder. You see, what are the factors of 6? You take 1, 2, 3, 6. 6 is completely divisible by 2. If you divide 6 with 2, 2 3s are 6. You are getting remainder as 0. You see, the number that divides the number that divides another number, leaving no remainder, that is called factor. 2 is the factor of 6 and also 3 is also a factor of 6, because if you divide 6 with 3, you are getting remainder as 0, means leaving no remainder. Then 3 is the factor of 6. We will write the factors of 6. What are the factors of 6? 1. If you divide this number, if you divide 6 with 1, you are getting remainder as 0. Leaving no remainder means you are getting remainder as 0. It is completely divisible by 1. If you take 2, 6 is completely divisible by 2. Therefore, 2 is the factor of 6. 1 is the factor of 6. 3 is the factor of 6. 4 is not the factor of 6, because if you divide this number 6 with another number 4, 4 ones are 4. You are getting remainder as 2. That's why 4 is not the factor of 6. 1 is the factor of 6, 2 is the factor of 6, 3 is the factor of 6, 4 is not the factor of 6, 5 is not the factor of 6, 6 is the factor of 6. 6 is the factor of 6, because if you divide 6 with 6, 6 ones are 6, you are getting remainder as 0, leaving no remainder. 6 is the factor of 6. Like that. What are the factors of 6? 1, 2, 3, 6 are the factors of 6. What are the multiples of 6? 6, 12, 18, like this, so on. They are the multiples of 6, but 1, 2, 3, 6 are the factors of 6. What are the multiples of 4? 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4, 8, 12, 4 fours are 16, and so on. These are the multiples of 4. What are the factors of 4? Factors, I will write. 4. First you take a number 1. 1 is the factor of 4, as it is completely divisible by 1. 4 is completely divisible by 1. You take 2. Is 2 a factor of 4? As 4 is completely divisible by, here you see, 4 is completely divisible by 2. 2 twos are 4. 0 as the leaving remainder. No remainder means you are getting 0 as the remainder. As 2 is the factor of 4. 3 is not the factor of 4, because if you divide 4 with 3, 3 ones are 3. You are getting 1 as the remainder. Therefore, 3 is not the factor of 4. 4 you take, as 4 is the factor of 4, because if you divide 4 with 4, 4 ones are 4, you are getting remainder as 0. That's why, what are the factors of 4? 1, 2, 4. These are the factors of 4. I will ask you one question to you. What are the factors of 5? What are the factors of 5? 1, 2 is not the factor of 5. 3 is not the factor. 4 is not the factor of 5. 5 is the factor of 5. 5 you take. See, if you divide 5 with 1, you are getting remainder as 0. If you divide 5 with 5, you are getting remainder as 0. Therefore, 1 and 5 are the factors of 5. You are getting only 2 factors. Therefore, 5 is called prime number. What is a prime number? The number which has 2 factors, that is called a prime number. What are the prime numbers? 2, is it a prime number? Yes, it can be written as 2 into 1, only 2 factors. 3, as it can be written as 3 into 1. 4, is 4 a prime number? No, it is not prime number. It has 3 factors. You see, 1, 2, 4 are the factors of 4. Therefore, 4 is not the prime number. You take, it is not. 5 you take, yes, it is a prime number. What are the factors? 1 and 5 are the factors of 5. 6 not a prime number because it is having more than 2 factors. 1, 2, 3, 6 are the factors of 6. 6 is not a prime number. As 7 is a prime number because it is having only 2 factors, 1 and 7. Like this, I will tell you what is a prime number. What is a prime number? A number which is having 2 factors. What is a composite number? A number which is having more than 2 factors. Already I told you, I will take natural numbers. What are natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the natural numbers. What are even numbers and odd numbers? Even numbers I will take. Even numbers. Even. 2, 4, 6, 8. These are even numbers. What are odd numbers? Odd. Odd numbers. What are odd numbers? Even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8. What are odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. These are called odd numbers. We will select whether 2 is prime number or not. Is 2 a prime number? Yes, 2 is a prime number because it is having 2 factors, 1 and 2. It is having only 2 factors. See, 4. No, 4 is having more than 2 factors. What are they? 1, 2, 4. 4 is a composite number. Now, next. 6. 6 is not a prime number. It is a composite number because it is having 1, 2, 3, 6 are the factors of 6. Therefore, it is having more than 2 factors. 6 is also having, 4 is having more than 2 factors. 6 is also having more than 2 factors. It is having 1, 2, 3, 6. Therefore, 4, 6 are the composite numbers. And 2. You take next 2, 4, 6, 8. All 8. 8 is also composite number. Why? What are the factors of 8? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 8. What are the factors of 8? It is having, what are the factors of 8? 1, 2, 4, 8 are the factors of 8. It is not a prime number. It is a composite number. See, all even numbers. You see, all even numbers, 4, 6, 8, all even numbers are composite number except 2. Next we will go 1. We will talk about 1 later. 2 is a prime number. 3 is a prime number. It is having only 2 factors, 1 and 3. 4 is a composite number. 5 is a prime number because it is having only 2 factors, 1 and 5. 6 composite number. 7 prime number because it is having 1 and 7, only 2 factors. 8 is a composite number. 9 is also a composite number because it is having, what are the factors of 9? 1, 3, 9. Don't think 9 is a prime number. 9 is a composite number. 10 is a composite number. All even numbers are composite numbers except 2. 2. Note, you take note. All even numbers are composite numbers except 2. What is the least? We will write the prime numbers. I will write the prime numbers. 2, 3. I will write the prime numbers. Primes I will write 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 13. 13 is a prime number. 14, 15. 14 is not a prime number. It is having more than 2 factors. 15 is also having more than 2 factors. 15, 16, 17. 17 is a prime number. 18, 19. 19 is a prime number. Like this, these are the prime number. Take a note. 2 is the least even prime number. All even numbers are composite numbers except 2. Therefore, 2 is the least even prime number. And we will write composite numbers here. What are composite numbers? 4, 4, 6, 8, 9. 9, don't think 9 is a prime number. 9 is a composite number. 9, 10, 12. You see, like this, you should understand the difference between prime number and composite number. A prime number which has 2 factors. A composite number which is having more than 2 factors. Next, we will go to co-primes and twin primes. Now, co-primes and twin primes. You should know the difference between co-primes and twin primes. First, definition. Co-primes. What is the definition of co-primes? Co-primes are 2 numbers that have no other common factor than 1, because they should have only 1 as the common factor. You observe 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 2, 5 and 3, 5. These are all co-primes because 2 and 3 is having only 1 as the common factor. You see 2 and 3, 1, 2, 1, 3. They are the factors. What is the common factor? 1 is the common factor. That's why 2 and 3 are co-primes. 3 and 4. 3 and 4 are co-primes. 3 is a prime number and 4 is composite number. Even though co-primes need not be prime numbers, but twin primes must be prime numbers. Now 4 and 5 are co-primes because they are having only 1 as a common factor. What are the factors of 4? 1, 2, 4. 5 is having 2 factors, 1 and 5. 1 is the common factor, therefore 4 and 5 are co-primes. 2 and 5 are co-primes because they are having 1 and 2, 1 and 5, because 1 is the common factor, therefore 2 and 5 are co-primes. 3 and 5, they are co-primes. 48, 49 co-primes, and 100, 101 are co-primes. What is the definition of twin primes? If the difference between 2 prime numbers is equal to 2, they are called twin primes. The difference between 3 and 5 is 2. They are prime numbers and difference must be 2. 3, 5 are prime numbers and also a difference between 5 and 3 is 2. 5 and 7. 5 and 7 are prime numbers and also a difference between 5 and 7 is 2. 11 and 13 twin primes and 17 and 19 are also twin primes. Difference is 2 and also they are prime numbers. And also you should understand one thing. 3, 5 you take. 3, 5 are co-primes and also twin primes because co-primes means co-primes. They are co-primes because what is the definition of co-primes? They are having 1 as the common factor. What is the common factor for both 3 and 5? 1 is the common factor. That's why they are co-primes, and also they are twin primes. Why they are twin primes? Because the difference between these two prime numbers is 2. They are prime numbers, and also difference between 3 and 5 is 2. They are co-primes and also twin primes. I will take one example. 4 and 9. They are co-primes. Many students think that they are not co-primes, but they are co-primes because they are not prime numbers, they are composite numbers, even though they are co-primes. Because what is the common factor to both 4 and 9? So we will write the common factors. We will write the factors. 1, 2, 4 are the factors of 4, and 1, 3, 9 are the factors of 9. Even though they are composite numbers, they are co-primes. They need not be prime numbers. You see, what is the common factor to 4 and 9? 1 is the common factor. That's why 4 and 9 are co-primes. 4 and 9 are not twin primes because they are composite numbers. Twin primes must be prime numbers. Like that, you should understand the difference between co-primes. Co-primes, they should have 1 as a common factor. Twin primes, they must be prime numbers. Difference must be